Welcome new students, my name is Darlene August and I am a student advisor for Laureate Online Education working for the University of Liverpool. Today we're going to walk through how to purchase your textbooks using our online bookstore. You will receive written correspondence as well as be in touch with your enrollment advisor regarding the required textbooks for your first module. You can also find the link to our online bookstore through our Center for Student Success website. So from the online bookstore homepage, step 1 is to click Order Your Books. You will then be taken to a page where you can select the term for which you'll be starting by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Note that you'll only be able to see the next 2 upcoming intakes, as books are not usually finalized until about 5 weeks before the start date of a module. Thus, to prevent students from having an incorrect version or edition, we only show the next 2 upcoming intakes. So we're going to select classes for January 2013 in this example and click on Continue. You will then be able to view the list of courses on the next page. If you're a first module student, be sure that you're looking for an FM in front of the name of your first module. So for example, I'm going to select FM Strategic Organization. You can tick the box next to the module relevant for you, scroll down to the bottom and click on Continue. You will then be taken to the page where you can view the required textbooks for this module. So for first module students beginning in January 2013 studying Strategic Organization, you'll be required to have Organization, Contemporary Principles and Practice 2005, as well as Modern Firm Organizational Design for Performance and Growth 2007 edition. Note that the first book can be purchased as new or in ebook format. Now this can be particularly helpful to students who may be purchasing their books a bit late, as you can get immediate access to your textbooks rather than having to wait for it to be shipped to you. So once you've made a selection, you can then click on Add Items and View Cart. The next page will be where you can review your cart. You'll see some recommended study aids that are not mandatory but that may prove helpful to you in your current module as well as in your program. You can scroll down to the bottom to view the 2 required textbooks for this particular module as well as the current total before you proceed to check out. You'll note the sign-in. If you're a returning customer, you can go ahead and enter your email address here along with your password and sign in. However, for new students, you can go ahead and click on I don't have an account, which will take you to the following page where you can enter your name, your last name, your email, and create a password. After this, you can go ahead and create an account. You will then be asked your billing address and shipping address information. Note, if you would like to use the same shipping address as your billing address, you can go ahead and click on Use My Billing Address to use the same address for both billing and shipping. Afterward, you can click on Save and Continue, which will take you to the following page, which will ask you to enter your student ID. After clicking on Save and Continue, you will then be directed to the page that will inquire about the shipping method you would prefer. Note that there are 2 available. You have Priority Mail International and FedEx International Economy. Now the prices will vary depending on your location in the world, and it would also be a good idea to read any announcements, for example on this page, concerning the extreme weather conditions in the East Coast, which may result in a delay of your order. After you've selected your shipping method and reviewed the announcements, you can click on Save and Continue, where you'll be directed to checkout. Here you will be able to enter your credit card information. You can select the type of card that it is, enter your card number along with your expiration date and the security code. You also have the option to save this credit card for future purchases. You can note your billing address and your shipping address and make any changes if necessary, and you'll also see the subtotal for the book along with any tax costs and the shipping costs, and finally the MBS direct total. You'll be asked to read and accept the shipping terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy and disclaimer before clicking on Finalize Order. After you've clicked on Finalize My Purchase, you'll receive confirmation and you're done ordering your textbooks. If you have any issues, of course, you can contact your enrollment advisor or your student advisor, who would be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.